All right, guys. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Sunday Fun Day to you guys. We're gonna go. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the analysis here. Hope that everyone is having a great Mother's Day weekend. We are buying the US dollar index for this week, looking for the US dollar index to do another bullish move. This is a weekly candle, bullish engulfing candle, closing in on Friday, going backwards, not backwards, but upwards to 103. So looking for 103 to 104, and then we'll see if it breaks 104 to 105. Indices going back down for every single one of them. Obviously, NAS 100, NASDAQ is holding its weight as much as it can, but they're all red here on the watch list. Looking for US 30 to come down to break 33,000 back down to about 32,800 range here. 33,000 range. So looking for that movement back down to break 33. Selling S&P to break 4,000. That's as far as I'm going to go. We'll see if it goes below 4,000 by the end of the week here. NAS 100, NASDAQ here, selling NAS 100 back to 13,000. And then we'll see if it breaks below 13,000 by the end of the week here on Friday. Gold, looking for gold to come back down to back to break 2,000 in the price value first, and then go down to 1990 to 1980, and then 1970 would be the next move for the break this really small weekly support here at 1970, 1969 here. And so there's a lot of main points that I'm going to touch up on for gold here. Same thing what it did here last year. You know, this tipping, this long shadow wick here of the candle here coming down, closing in. First resistance, second resistance, and then on the third resistance, massive move to break the support price at 1917, 1920, right around here. So that would be my goal, is to see if it will go to below under 1960 and sustain a confirmation bias of a new downtrend and a new leg going down to break 1960 and sustain that leg going down further. Okay. But overall, it is still trying to make a move back up. It is still on a uptrend. Now, obviously, I'm just basing on the sell because of the last resistance price points that we're going off of here. All right. So we are selling gold. Just don't get too caught up in here. UJ, buying UJ to break the resistance at the 136.6, and then the next move would be 138 to 140. Euro, selling Euro here back down to 108 to break 108 down to 107 and then 106. Euro British pound, buying Euro British pound here, looking for 88 back to 89. The pound here, selling the pound, looking for the pound to come back to break 124 to 123, and then the next move to break that would be 122. US dollar to the Swiss franc, looking for US dollar, Swiss franc to break 90 back to 91, and then the final move would be 92. USD CAD, looking for USD CAD to make a move back to the resistance of 136 and then 137. And then the big move to break above 138 to 140. Selling Australia and New Zealand dollar, looking for the Aussie dollar to come down to 65 to 64. And then for New Zealand to break 61 back down to 60. That's all I got for you guys. Let's see what is going to be going on here. Tuesday, we got some CPI news here. Not a whole lot for Thursday. There's bank holidays for Euro and the Swiss franc. Wednesday, and there's not a whole lot for Wednesday either. So there isn't a whole lot for the economic calendar for this week. Like I said, it could possibly just be touching up on, you know, what the Federal Reserve is going to be doing for the upcoming month for June, and also what is going to happen to all the economies and central banking systems here. And so be very close, pay very close attention what's happening to the markets right now. So other than that, we are buying the US dollar index for this week. Massive bullish move here for closing in for US dollar index on Friday. And looking for another bullish engulfing candle or another bullish take here for this week for the US dollar. So that means we're buying the US dollar this week. We're selling indices, we're selling gold, we're selling euro, we're selling the pound, we're selling the Australian and New Zealand dollar. So a lot of stuff we're doing here for this upcoming week here. Happy Mother's Day to each and every one of you guys. And I hope you guys are having a great Sunday fun day. Peace out, guys. All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and talk about crypto. Happy Sunday, happy Mother's Day to you guys out there, having enjoying the weekend. So for crypto, looking to keep selling crypto, looking for Bitcoin to come back to break 26,000 back to 25,000. Ethereum here, we're looking for Ethereum to come shoot back down to this wick here at breaking for 1,800 and then back to 1,700 here. Litecoin is shooting itself back up, but overall we are still looking at a sell-off here. Resistance is seen at 83, looking for Litecoin to come back down to 80. Shiba, looking for Shiba to come back down to the support price of 0.847 and 840.839 at the wick here. So not a whole lot of movement for Shiba here. Dogecoin is trying to shoot itself back up. Looking for it to come back down to 6.5 cents here at 6.5 cent range here. But first we looking for it to break 7 cents here, guys. Tezos, looking for Tezos to keep going down. Massive move down for crypto. It is under $1. It's at right chipping at 89, 90 cents here in the range here. Looking for it to come back down to break the 80-cent mark here. So we'll be looking at Ripple, looking to sell Ripple back down to 40 cents here. And then we'll see if it breaks 40 cents to go under 40. NEO, looking for NEO to come down at the wick of under $9 to back to $8.80 and $8.70. Dash, still stuck at around here at $41. Looking for Dash come back down to 40 to break under $40 here in value. Solana, looking for Solana to come back down to $20 in value. And then we'll see if it breaks to go below $20 in value here. Zcash, looking for Zcash to come back down to $32 to $30 in value. And then that is all I have. That's all I have for you guys. So I know it's quick analysis here, looking to sell crypto for the rest of the week here. We are in midweek of May, so we'll see what happens for the last remaining 2 weeks of the month here for May, and then we come into June. So that's gonna be crazy. So half of the year is almost gone, guys. So stay tuned for that. Other than that's all I got for you guys. Happy Mother's Day and also happy Sunday to you guys. Peace out.